Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis last week, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First, going to do is a little house cleaning and just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level pertains to the chart, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. Well, the newest updates, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 29 cents, one of the newest areas of support, and what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? If the price can stay above 29 cents, then yeah, that would definitely be a very impressive display of strength on the bull's part. With that being said, it's not like if the price falls below 29, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could hold above there, that would be a big sign of power. Now, taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 29 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? First key level of resistance, going to be right up here at approximately the 35-cent mark. In fact, if you kind of go through the history of things, you can see there is quite a bit of a track record of it getting rejected right there. And even this morning, once again, that general vicinity up there at 35 was rejected. So keep a close eye on that. And if the price can get up through that area, then as you see here, things thin out quite a bit of a ways. So 35 cents, so I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves, one hurdle at a time, and let's first see if the price can continue to chip away and build those higher bases. But all in all, a very nice recovery so far since that deeper pullback that happened last week. And the week is young, so still 4 days left this week. So let's see if the price can continue to build upon this movement or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.